Hello everyone, this is Loita. So our topic for today is how to perform group discussion in an interview. So I'll tell you two things. First is what is group discussion, what is group discussion. Then what does the examiner wants to know, what he expects from you. So a group discussion is where 10 to 12 members sit together and they are given a topic and asked to talk on it for a duration of like a set of duration. And the types of GD topics are general topics, controversial topics, abstract topics, and case-based. It is categorized into these four. So first, general topics are about the facts and current affairs. These topics are given to know how much you know what is going on around you. And in controversial topics, like if beef ban logical or women make better management. So these topics are given to provoke you and they are argumentative as well, to see how much mature you are to hold your temper. Then the abstract topics, so these topics are given to test your lateral thinking and your creativity, how much you are creative. Then case studies are like a description of any problem, so the whole team has to bring up a solution. Next thing, what the examiner wants to know. So he wants to know whether you're good at your communication skills or not, then how flexible you are to accept others' views, and your listening capacity, as well as your knowledge on various subjects.